Alright, so let's do this.
I want to see my size.
You gonna discuss how you got it?
Look, a 10.5, 745. An 11.
Alright, we shooting.
I'm sorry. 11 is 860. All over StockX, man. Get the fuck out of here. Y'all bugging.
Hey guys, I have Freako here.
Hey, what's going on, y'all? How you doing?
My love. Alright, so we're gonna be talking about... Oh, guys, don't tell me my battery's dying. You gotta be kidding me. Alright, so, I mean, if it died, we're just gonna put on the other one real quick. So, the other one is charging. Yeah. 2 batteries and they're dying. You're gonna be what? I'm
gonna get your camera checked out.
Maybe it's, I don't know, maybe it's the battery.
Nah.
Yeah, so let's get into this video. So we're talking about the Yeezys. It's Yeezy season. Freako found some dope ass Yeezys. He's gonna discuss
her size, everything came in her size.
He's gonna discuss how he find it. And yeah, let's like bring it out. Where is that? I think it's this one. We're discussing. Let me take it out the box.
I surprised her with a little gift, you know. Yo.
You gotta come more over here.
Alright, we're gonna talk about this. The Swanton over there playing games. You trying to be in your head for the second pair, but yeah. It's alright, hallelujah. But we're gonna talk about this. Let me get, see that? We're gonna talk about that. Look, just look at it. You could, I would, but she won't. But yeah, so look at this. Like, oh, this is real. Okay, so a crazy story behind this whole thing, right? So now, I was supposed to go to some baby stuff with my sister, and I'm like, nah, you know, you taking away from my bread and butter, I'm not gonna go. So I was like, you know, you could go right ahead without me. She was impatient anyway, she didn't want to wait. So now, I went to a famous thrift store that I always go to. I will not name drop, because I don't do that, you know, y'all gonna take all my goods. But yeah, anyway, I went in there and it was this Filipino boy, and he was with his brother, sister, his 2 aunts, and his mother. And when I first walked into the door, it was, he pulled these out. So when he pulled these out, I remember, you know, I'm gonna say like 3 months, you know, me and my baby here has been looking for these in a size 7. We had one dude, he lied. He said that he sold them. He had them up there for 100, which I think he's full of shit. And we had another dude that was playing games, so we just said, fuck it. When it come, it come. And it came. And when I walked into that thrift store, he had these. And he had another pair of Yeezys too. He had the 2.0, but these are the 1.0s. And he pulled them out. And I'm just standing there looking, and I'm like my dog. Like that, you know, fiending. And I'm like, they do look kind of small. But I was like, wait, it could be my girl size. But I didn't see the box because he had it facing the other way when he slid them out. So when he pulled these out, they was talking to him. You won't believe how much the thrift store was trying to buy these off of him.
How much?
And no, you know what? I am gonna name drop.
Nah.
I'm gonna tell them because they rip-offs. People need to know.
Well, yeah, they are kind of low-key.
Crossroads.
Even though
in Brooklyn,
shop there, but.
Bedford Avenue, Williamsburg. So we only shop there. We don't sell them nothing. We shop because they rip off other people and we rip off them because we know what we getting them for. So now he pulled these out and I'm looking at them and I automatically cut it off when she was like, "I'll give you $12 for these and $12 for the 12.0s." I was like, yo, bro. I was like, hold on, cut that. I was like, yo, name your price. If it's too high, let's at least meet in the middle. So you could be fair, like you could be happy and I could be happy. So at first she was like $280. I was like, I'm gonna call my girlfriend. We're gonna try to set an arrangement though, but I'm not gonna do that. So I called her, knowing she's always at work. I'm surprised. First call she picked up. I'm shocked. So that's a flag saying that she wants them already. I was like, yo, I'm gonna send you a picture, but the guy got the belugas that we've been looking for. So she goes, yo, ask him how much, and if I could send that, I'll send that, you know, but I just hope it ain't too much. So I said he asking $280. She said, tell him I give him 150. I said 150. He said 160. I said, all right, deal. He was trying to go up. I'm like, bro, you already told me a price and you already went up by $10. That's all I'm giving you. So I gave him the 160 for these. And when I looked at them, look how clean they are. Focus, there you go. Look how clean these are. Really, it's not even yellow. They're really, really, really clean. And he did wear them like one time, really. He really wore these like one time, but it's just like, to be honest, you go look on StockX right now. And let's go look on StockX right now, right? Check this out. StockX is asking for a size 7. Size 7. Buy now. $13.95 in tax. It comes up to $788.95. That's a lot. That's close to you basically 2 bills away from $1,000 and some change. But we managed to get these authentic, real for $160, and we've been looking for them in her size. I don't have a pair of these right now, but I would definitely get a pair. But I have 2 pairs of the frozen yellows, a pair of the mauves, a pair of the wave runners, a pair of the statics 700s, and a pair of the zebras that I caught at another thrift store, which we will get into another video for 100.
Get it into
real
this video. Oh,
okay,
this is all
you know what?
easy.
Hold that.
Yeah.
I'll go get them.
This is all easy. So yeah, we got it right here, and the box as well.
So, unfortunately, mine didn't come with a box, but these are my zebras. They're 100% real, tag and everything. They didn't, when I got them, they was not like these. These is really dirty. I cleaned these really good to the point where, you know, they look really clean. These actually came out in 20. They was made in 2016. They dropped in 2017. These are the originals because the back is yellow. Like, this is the first pair of zebras that they dropped before they dropped the other 2 releases. And I was ecstatic when I caught these. I caught these for 100, and I was just really shocked. And people were saying that the Yeezy wave is dying out. Nah, it's not. He's bringing out too many colors, cool, but if you get colors like a pair of Belugas that are going for near 1,000 that you can hardly even get no more, and when you do, you got somebody trying to sell it to you for fake, or a pair of zebras, you know, like colors like these will always be in style. It's a great shoe and stuff. And you have blue tints. You got a couple of colors you could get away with though, but then when they start to bring out these new ones, I don't know about that though. But she's really happy. I'm really happy. I felt like it was crazy because we've been looking for them. It's like sometimes when you look for something, it's not gonna find you. You gotta you're not gonna find it. You gotta let it find you. I meant to say, and that actually found her, and it was crazy. And you know, like,
we're gonna discuss this pair.
We're gonna discuss these. Another one you could get away with. This one too. This is, to be honest, this is one of my second personal favorite. I have 2 pairs of these.
Yeah.
Frozen yellows. I have
one.
Now, these right here, the color is good and everything, and it's a nice concept. You could basically wear anything with it, you know. And I've seen people really kill these. I got 2 pairs because they're really my favorite, but it's a cool Yeezy, you know. And that's all I could say about these. But I won't go too much and get every pair of Yeezy.
Yeah, it's not worth it.
It's not worth it. Only a few colors like this one.
Get the main colors.
Definitely these, and I don't even own these yet, but I definitely will. But yeah, man. Definitely. Anything you want to say, man?
Okay, easy wear. You could definitely wear these with green sweatpants. What's the army fatigue?
All day.
Army fatigue. Denim, because they look kind of like bluish. What else I would say? Even like
don't you still want the gray ones? The sesames?
I do. Yeah, I'm looking for the sesames. I think that's the only one I'm gonna get next is the sesames. I totally like the sesames.
I don't like it because they don't have that Simplify 350 on there. Remember I had them and I took them back?
Yeah. You don't like them because they didn't have that on it, really?
It looked like you wearing just a gray sock. I don't like it. This makes, you see this Simplify 350? It reminded me of the old Polo Sport. It was an old Polo Sport shoe that had that same wave. Yeah, way back in the day. This makes a lot difference on the shoe. I need that. That's why when I seen some zebras, I jumped my ass right on it. You need that. You know, to be honest, I'm gonna be real. I'm gonna tell you why you need it. With this being on the side, it actually makes the shoe look smaller.
The red?
What it's saying that it actually
okay.
it makes the shoe look smaller.
I mean, yeah, you could
does.
definitely.
I need that.
Yeah, you could say that.
And my foot is not that big. I'm a size 11, 11 and a half. My foot is not that big, but it's like you look at it. Yeah, I need my simplified 350. I'm sorry.
Okay.
I need that.
So easy wear. Oh, sorry.
Room the paper.
Oh, excuse me.
You know you gotta. You know this paper.
The OG sneakerhead.
They charge you $20 for this paper. They do.
For a paper?
For the paper, they charge you dead ass with the box. It'd be like $38. Dead ass. Go on YouTube. On eBay. I'll be like, yo, y'all bugging. That's why when I be finding the boxes in the street, I take them. I'm gonna sell their asses. Yep.
Last find, since we are in the easy.
The last find, I go thrifting, and her closet is crazy. We be getting deals and steals, and a lot of y'all gonna like these.
Daddy's about to die, so yeah.
Right, a lot of y'all gonna like these. I found these, size 7. I just been finding a whole bunch of heat in her size. Yeezys, for these, price is there. Yeah, focus, man. I don't know why. Alright, I paid $29.95 for these, and the condition is crazy, man. And the condition is crazy, man. You know, the bottom glow in the dark and everything, size 7. This is a beautiful wear. It's a beautiful shoe, and it's mostly slept on. And whoever sold this to them, they gave y'all probably like $5. Y'all on crack, because I would have never sold this shoe to them. This is a great shoe, and it's a size 7, and this is really rare to come by too. The last time I checked on StockX, it was actually like $435 for these.
Really?
I'm gonna check again. Yeah, definitely in the size 7.
Wow.
These are hard. They didn't really make a lot of these in the size 7. So this is really hard to come by. You know, the gray ones is cool too, but I didn't like the way they mix match all the grays together. It was a light gray then a dark gray, and it just didn't go. And I have them, and I hardly even wear them. Like, to be honest, I didn't even wear them. They're still brand new. This, I got 2 pairs of these, and I will always keep 2 pairs of these. This is a great Yeezy find. I'm glad she got them. I remember when we first went on our first date, around the time I got them, and she was like, yo, she wants a pair. And look, if you just wait, things once again will come to you. Just gotta be patient.
That's right. Alright, so we're gonna wrap up this video because my battery is dying. Even my other battery is charging. But thanks for watching. Thank you, Pickle, for coming on my vlog. Alright, and I'll see you guys later.